So hello everyone, my name is Danya. I'm a parent of Tanvika from grade 1. This is the first time I'm attending this kind of festivals and all, and it's very good and it's very enthusiastic, and that information they have provided are very much impressive, and it's very good and all. And I have visited classrooms, and everyone that is from the small child and everyone is very good, and they are explaining that about mango, and they have provided some dishes and all that was very delicious. And because of this festival, kids are very enthusiastic and are very energetic also.
And this is wonderful. We didn't expect this much from the student, and then the parents, and then the staffs who is working there. They're here, and they have done a very good job. And then this is really a best moment in my life. Why I'm saying this? Each and every dish, and then each and everything from they are made from the mango is really very tasty and then really great. And then I really appreciate their effort once more, and thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you all for joining us in Ology Tech's Mango Fest 2024.
We are Ologians, we inspire you.